If the text in Google Chrome feels too small, too large, or just not comfortable to read, you can change it in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to change text size in Google Chrome step by step, so you can make browsing easier and more comfortable on your screen. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, depending on how you usually launch it. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the 3 vertical dots icon. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it gives you access to all the browser settings. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. Now scroll down near the bottom of that menu and click on Settings. This will open the Chrome Settings page, where you can customize the browser to fit your preferences. Once you're in Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. You should see several categories listed there. Find and click on Appearance. This section controls how Chrome looks, including themes, page zoom, and font settings. Now move to the center of the screen and locate the font size row. This is the setting you'll use to adjust how large the text appears in Chrome. Next to font size, you'll see a drop-down menu, and by default, it usually says medium. Click that drop-down menu, and you'll see several options. You can choose very small, small, large, or very large, depending on what works best for you. If you want more text on the screen at once, choose a smaller size. If you want the text easier to read, choose a larger size. As soon as you select a new option, Chrome will update the font size automatically. There's no need to restart the browser. You can simply open a web page and see the difference right away. If it still doesn't feel right, you can always go back and try another size until it looks perfect. And that's all there is to it. You've now changed the text size in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make browsing more comfortable, especially if you spend a lot of time reading articles, emails, or websites in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.